If there's one thing I've noticed, growing onions is easy. Most beginner gardeners or first-time onion growers are always successful if they follow these basic rules. Number one is you got to plant the right type of onion for your area. Here in the South, we plant a short day type onion. We have a map and more information on this on our website, our Hoss growing guide under our Hoss University there. So you can see exactly what type onion you need to grow for your area. For us, it is a short day onion. Fertilization. Onions are heavy feeders and you got to feed them hard and heavy early on. Now, 30 to 45 days before harvest, you got to cut all fertilizer off. So at that point, you want a bulb. And to get a big, healthy bulb, you got to cut the fertilizer off, stress the plant a little bit, and make that big old fine onion. Plant your onions at the right time. For us here in South Georgia, Zone 8, we plant in November. Use the right kind of fertilizer. Use a balanced fertilizer such as 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 and alternate it with a nitrogen source that has sulfur in it, and we recommend ammonium sulfate. So we planted in November, and now it's time to harvest, and it's the 1st of April. So we stop fertilizing at the end of February. How do you know when your onions are ready to harvest? The tops start looking bad and they start falling over. When about 30 to 50% of your onions have fell over, it's time to harvest them. Onions are perfect for any type of garden. We grow them in the flat on the ground. We grow them in raised beds. You can grow a lot of onions in a small space. When harvest time is here, we take our digging fork, go underneath them, loosen them up a little bit, pull them up, shake their dirt off, lay them out there on a nice sunshiny day. Do not harvest your onions on a rainy day. We like to leave them sitting outside where the sun can hit them for about 24 to 30 hours, somewhere there. Tomorrow afternoon, after the dew dries, we'll come out here, we'll harvest our onions, and we'll move them to our storage area. Storage area is going to be under our barn. It's going to be in a cool, dry place that has ventilation. And these onions will last for months.